Okay, so the question was, does a Buick 350 multi-case that fits both Chevrolet and Buick Pontiac Olds, does it have the bearings inside of it or the thrust washers like the Chevrolet? So BPO has bearings and Chevrolet has thrust washers. You can see by the inset here on the planetary, this does take bearings, and this is a multi-case. Now, I can't remember every one of these that I've ever had apart, but that's definitely a bearing, and that's definitely a multi-case. And a Chevrolet would definitely have a thrust washer there. So if you're building a Chevrolet and you want the Buick Pontiac Olds bearings, a multi-case might be the way to go. I'll put a link up in the corner here somewhere to my transmission repair playlist.
Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.